Product number 1 from Johto. This is a cable sleeve slash cable clip. Honestly, this is for my new studio setup, but it came with the iPad cases, so this could be beneficial too if you have an iPad Pro desk setup. So this is going to hide the cables, and for the cable clips you can hang the Type-C cable, so it's always there and ready for you. And it also has a 3M tape on the back, so you can stick it onto any wall, and as you guys can see, it can hang any cable for the most part. So moving that aside, we have product number 2, and these are from Procase. But first things first, let's take a look at the smart portfolio case. Very simple. This is under 20 bucks, and yeah, it's a very straightforward case. I picked it up for the 2018 iPad, and I gotta tell you guys, I love this case. Simple but effective. And the reasons why I love this case: it has the magnetic close, so it closes the iPad once the case is closed, and it opens back up once the case is open. It looks gorgeous. It's thin. You have a compartment for your Apple Pencil, so yeah, you can easily access that. And just the design, just appreciate that fancy businessy design, you know, which is one of my favorites. And since it's a portfolio case, it folds, so you have the type in view, so it's going to make things easier to type. You have a view, watching movies view. Very nice case. Now this is the Procase Sleeve, and it's going to allow you to store your iPad, store your iPhone, store your AirPods, whatever the case may be, business files. And this is a must-have if you don't rock out with a case on your iPad. At least you're going to have something to protect the iPad at least. And for $10.99, this is actually not a bad deal. And you even have some compartments on the back there, so you can store 2 iPhones, store your wallet. This is a solid pickup. Fool your friends with this camera mod. This is going to turn your 2018 iPad Pro into the 2020 iPad Pro. This is really for the iPhone 11, but it looks so similar to the iPad Pro 2020. Get the 2020 iPad Pro mod without spending the 2020 iPad Pro price. Now, I've been using the Apple Magic Keyboard case for 2 months now, and I gotta tell you guys, I absolutely love this case. I've been using it every day. The keyboard is amazing to type. I got used to the keys because the 12.9-inch iPad Pro model has a full-size keyboard, not the 11-inch. The backlight is bright, so it's easier to type at night, and also the gestures are very intuitive, and the trackpad is a dream to use. You know, Apple makes one of the best trackpads on the market easily, so I highly recommend the Magic Keyboard case. It's a bit pricey, but it's worth every penny in my opinion. Everything about it is just so smooth, and it floats. It floats. Alright, so next up we have the PadPoint. So let's say you just want a mouse, you don't care about having a keyboard, maybe you already have a keyboard, you just want a mini mouse to travel with. This is your best friend right here. So the PadPoint is a very mini, very mini, but yet comfortable mouse for your iPad. So as you guys can see, it's super duper small, but it's very ergonomic. It has the size aligned with your hand, your finger, and this is the charger right here. So this is a magnetic charger, so it just plugs into the USB and it magnetically charge the mouse. And I'm gonna be honest with you guys, when I first saw this mouse, I thought it wasn't gonna be comfortable at all, but it blew expectations. I was just amazed. Now, do I see myself using this for hours? Probably not. Do I see myself using this for editing videos? Probably not. But if you want to quickly surf the web and you want to travel without bulking up your bag, this mouse is truly going to be your best friend. And it works on Windows, Mac OS, and of course iPad OS. Yeah, it works like a charm. The charging is smart, and yeah, no complaints really. Whenever you're getting a mouse, it's important for you to get a mouse pad. This is from Tilted Nation, and I absolutely fell in love with it. It's ultra long, that's what she said, and it's very smooth, so it's not gonna slip off your desk, and it glides through with my mouse with the PadPoint here. Yeah, I love it, and it's perfect for your iPad if you're doing like a desk laptop setup. this is gonna be amazing. Now this one here is also from Tilted Nation. This is a RGB mouse pad, and it just looks gorgeous. If you live in that RGB life, this is a must-have. Now this power bank is a certified beast. This one here is from RavPower. This is a AC power bank, 30,000 milliamps. The outlet can support up to 100 watts, and the Type-C can support up to 60 watts power delivery output. It even has a fan just to keep everything cool. This is perfect for those trips, perfect for your iPad of course, and you can even charge a MacBook on the go. So this is a certified beast right here. Now on to the charge test. Of course I'm going to be charging my iPad. It works like a charm. I'm going to be charging my iPhone, and I'm going to be charging up my camera. So charging up the iPhone 11 Pro Max is charging up flawlessly while the iPad is charging. My camera battery is charging too, and I have my other camera battery is charging. So all devices here are charging, no problems whatsoever. Now the last product I want to put on the list is actually Paperlike. Now I haven't received my Paperlike just yet. I placed my order on May 7th I think, and it still hasn't come yet. Now I understand due to the whole COVID-19 situation, they sent me an email, they gave me updates, they even made a video discussing about the shipping time. So if you order your Paperlike, it may take a while, but they're gonna keep on updating you. But it could be here any minute. It was estimated like around mid-June, but I didn't want to wait any longer because this video is honestly old. I've been holding out on this video since April, so I wanted to just release it one time, and it's been a minute since I uploaded a video, so I apologize for that. I'm still in the process of moving around, switching studio rooms, working on this, working on that, so I'm sorry for the inconsistencies. I'm doing my best to give you guys as much videos as I can. But all in all, I'm not sponsored. Paperlike is a fantastic product to have on your iPad, especially if you use the Apple Pencil. It's gonna make it feel like it's real paper. So if you take like a sheet of paper, it's the same texture on your iPad Pro. If you find any item on this list expensive or you don't appreciate that brand, Luster is going to help you out. It's going to give you the top 5 best products, and it's also going to give you a price range. I hope the power don't cut off. It's a thunderstorm outside. I hope the power don't cut off. But yeah, anyway, Luster is a fantastic Chrome extension that allows you to search for the better alternative of that product. So it's going crazy outside. So for example, the RavPower AC power bank, that costs $130. You could find something similar to that without paying the $130, so maybe $100, I don't know, but it's gonna give you something that's similar to that product without being that brand. So if you're undecisive on a monitor to buy, for example, Luster is gonna definitely give you one of the top 5 or top 10 best monitors, like highly reviewed. It gives you the price history of everything, so if there's a price drop on this day, then it's gonna show you on a graph. It makes shopping on Amazon a whole lot easier, and it's also gonna give you Best Buy. It's gonna give you Amazon. It's gonna compare those prices too as well. This is a fantastic Chrome extension. I highly recommend it. Not sponsored. I'm not getting paid for saying it. I just feel like not that many people know about this extension, so this is gonna help you guys save money, and you get a real great deal at that too. So I'm gonna throw a link in the description to all the alternatives that I mentioned on this list, and yeah, I highly recommend you guys install Luster. Alright guys, that pretty much concludes today's video. I'm still in the process of switching studios, so yeah, so I'm sorry for the mess in the background, but anyway, I hope you guys stay safe, stay simple, stay clean. We got the PS5 event in a couple of hours, 2 more hours. Can't wait for that PS5. Can't wait. Alright guys, until next time. Peace.